Imagine this. You book a flight from Delhi to Mumbai. Your ticket says seat 12A, flight AI 302, destination Mumbai. But due to a programming mistake, someone changes your destination from Mumbai to Chennai. Now you have reached the wrong city. Scary, isn't it? So here's the question. How do real software systems protect important information from being changed accidentally? The answer is something every Python programmer should know. Tuples. And today we are not going to memorize definitions. Instead, we are going to build a mini flight reservation system and discover why tuples are so powerful. Before we begin, let's look at this code. Do you think this code will work? Yes? No? Comment your answer right now. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why. Let's create our first flight ticket. This single tuple contains the complete ticket information: the passenger's name, the flight number, the seat number, the departure city, and the destination city. Notice the round brackets. Whenever you see data stored inside round brackets in this way, you are looking at a tuple. Now let's understand why tuples exist. If this information were stored in a list, someone could accidentally change important details. Python allows this change because lists are mutable. Mutable simply means changeable. But flight destinations, ticket numbers, and seat details shouldn't change accidentally after booking. Now let's try the same thing with a tuple. Type error. Python immediately stops us. Why? Because tuples are immutable. Immutable means once created, their values cannot be modified. And that's exactly why tuples are used for fixed information. Now our passenger reaches the boarding counter. The airport staff needs the passenger name. Indexing always starts from 0. Index 0 contains the passenger name. The staff now checks the flight number. Index 1 stores the flight number. The staff verifies the seat number. Index 2 stores the seat number. Now let's move to the departure gate. The staff wants the destination city. Negative indexing starts from the end. -1 means the last item. This is a very useful shortcut in Python. Before allowing boarding, the system must verify that all details are available. The len function counts the total elements inside the tuple. We have 5 pieces of information. This helps software validate that no important information is missing. Now let's move to airline management. The airline wants to know how many business class passengers are traveling today. The count function tells us how many times a value appears inside a tuple. Business appears 3 times, so there are 3 business class bookings. Now, the airport control room is searching for Mumbai in the record. The index function tells us where a particular value is stored. Mumbai is present at position 4. Now let's create something professionals use frequently. Instead of accessing each value one by one using indexes, Python can unpack the entire tuple automatically. The values are automatically distributed into separate variables. This technique is called Tuple Unpacking. Here's a fact many beginners don't know. When Python returns multiple values from a function, it actually uses tuples. Even if you don't see the word tuple, Python is often using tuples behind the scenes. Now let's build our mini flight boarding pass generator. Congratulations, you have just created a mini airline boarding pass system using tuples. This is exactly how programming becomes useful when connected to real-world problems. Now let's come back to the question I asked at the beginning. Will it work? No. Python throws an error because tuples are immutable. The destination cannot be changed directly, and that's exactly where tuples help protect critical information. So today we learned these topics. Let's see who was really paying attention. Don't run the code, predict the output and write your answer in the comments. If this flight journey helped you understand tuples better than any textbook or lecture, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss the next Python project. Keep learning, keep coding, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy coding!